If you're a fan of all types of teas, you will love the 2-in-1 Virtuoso Kettle and Steeper. Make the perfect cup with a built-in thermometer on the silicone lid as it highlights the optimal steep ranges for white, green, oolong, black, and herbal teas. There are easy-to-read volume markings on the glass for precise brewing. A large ergonomic glass handle ensures a comfortable, safe grip, and the stainless steel extra-fine mesh infuser provides excellent water flow and plenty of room for tea leaves to expand and steep. The non-drip spout is perfectly designed for a controlled, no-spill pour. The Virtuoso Kettle also makes a perfect gift for that special someone.